Hey, it's your tour guide, Jennifer Sparks, and today we are in Laughlin, Nevada. The town is named after Don Laughlin, who just passed away this past October. We're going to be going to visit his hotel today. This is personally our first trip to Laughlin, Nevada. I've been wanting to come here for years. We're only here for 2 nights, and we have a lot to see. I'm here today with my husband, Kelli. We were staying in Las Vegas at Paris for 5 nights. This was a very refreshing and relaxing change. It was very chill over here. But our trip here wasn't chill at all. We have a lot to see, and I filmed a lot, and I'm going to be making videos about all the different resorts. So if you're interested in learning more about Laughlin, you want to subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos that I will leave at the end of this video in a link. All you have to do is click on it, and you can see the videos of all the other different resorts, including Aquarius, Edgewater, the Golden Nugget, Harrah's, and Tropicana. I would really like to come back soon and stay at all of them. I really would. We just only had 2 nights, and Tropicana gave us the best rates, so that's why we chose there. But this video isn't about the Tropicana. It's about Don Laughlin's Riverside Resort. One of the most outstanding things about Laughlin is it's located right on the Colorado River, and Don Laughlin's Riverside Resort is in a prime location. For parking, they offer a Las Vegas type valet, but we chose to just do the regular self-parking. We weren't going to be here long. Like I said, we had a lot to see. We had a lot of different resorts to go walk around and check out and film. It's very exciting. One important thing to note is the parking. It's free. Free in Laughlin. I know, unheard of, amazing. The parking garage is located across the street, but there is a pedestrian walkway that goes over South Casino Drive. We were here December 23rd. It was the day before Christmas Eve. Walking in, you can instantly see this is a place that is a family destination. There's a movie theater, casino grooming, as that's what we like to call the arcades. Down by this walkway, there's also a bingo hall. I'm sensing already that this place is going to have a lot to offer. It's probably going to be very big. I could already notice there's a lot more people here than any other resort that I've seen so far. Many different dining options. I took a look in that gourmet room. That was gorgeous. If you're just finding my channel, I want to share with you some of the other videos that I already made. Tropicana, Harrah's, the visit to Pioneer and Golden Nugget, also my drive from Las Vegas. And I will be making a video next of Aquarius and Edgewater, which will be together. Let's go explore. I could be wrong. I didn't even eat here, but I feel like this wins for best dining in all of Laughlin as far as the resorts go. They have a buffet here. They have fine dining. They have casual dining. They have a ton of different bars and snacks. I feel like you could stay here for a few nights and still not get bored. There's plenty to do and different experiences that you could have. My filming is not going to be the greatest on this. I'm doing my best not to get too many people in here, but this place was pretty busy. It was definitely more like Las Vegas the day I was here than any other resort that I was in. And also, as I mentioned in my other videos, I'm not sure what the filming policy is in casinos, so I'm going to be very slick about this. You know, I like to show people what games are there, what the atmosphere is like, so you could pack accordingly. I didn't see anybody walking around with cocktail dresses and suits. This is a really kind of laid back type of atmosphere. In Vegas, you know, everybody's all sparkly and in heels, and I didn't see that over here at all. And with that being said, I really don't think this caters to like a nightclub kind of atmosphere. Again, I could be wrong. This is just an observation. I saw everybody from families to seniors, but I don't think this is the place to go for your like bachelorette party or, you know, a frat party. You know, it's kind of seems like, just like I said, more low key. If you're looking for, you know, more of a wild time, more stories, something more exciting, I would definitely consider Las Vegas over Laughlin. But on the other hand, too, if you like to walk down the street and not get harassed, you know, by people trying to sell you things and showgirls and, you know, Mickey Mouse, then Laughlin would be a better choice because there is none of that. It is very cool over here. I couldn't get outside, but here is a look at the outdoor pool. Looks really nice, very Las Vegas. I'm sure Laughlin must be very fun and very busy in the warmer months. If you have any questions for me or comments, or if you want to share your story, please do in the comments below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you're looking for something free to do, they have a car museum here. This is located on the 3rd floor of the South Tower. It is completely free to come in here, but if you want to go see an expanded version, there is another room that you could go to. I think it's $5 to get into if you want to see more of this. It was really cool to see. Now let's talk about the hotel itself. There are 2 towers. They don't allow pets, only service animals. There is an RV parking area. I believe this is a preferred choice for many. Even when we took a cab from Paris to the rent-a-car, our driver was like, you have to go to Don Laughlin's resort casino. He stays there all the time. He's a local and he stays there. He says the gambling and the food, everything is so good. I'm thinking this is a favorite of tourists and locals alike. Whatever casino you go to, whether it's the Don Laughlin Riverside Casino Resort or any casino and you plan on gambling, always get the player's card because the rewards you will get later will be definitely worth it. Let's take a little further look into the casino and some more food options. What a great place. So much to see. I definitely want to come back here. And at last, look at this, a bowling alley, a huge bowling alley. Kelli now refers to the Don Laughlin Riverside Resort as the fun spot of Laughlin. At the bowling alley, they have a snack bar and a place that you could buy socks. You know, you might go to the bowling alley and want to bowl and not have socks. I never saw a sock vending machine before. There's also a bar here and another arcade. They had a lot of great places to dine here, but we did not dine here. We ended up going to Aquarius after that, and that's where we chose to have dinner. Look out for that video, as well as Edgewater, coming up very soon, probably next. In the meantime, please enjoy these videos right here. Whatever you do, make sure that you book that trip to Laughlin. Pack your bags and go. Safe travels to you, and good luck in the casinos.